In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the header and footer smaller in Wix. Whether you're looking to optimize space on your website or simply aiming for a more streamlined look, adjusting the size of your header and footer can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access the Wix website editor. This is the main hub for all your site editing needs. Ensure you're logged into your Wix account and then navigate to your website's editor by clicking on the Edit Site button. This action will bring you to the main editing interface where you can see, modify, and customize various aspects of your website. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the top section where your site's header is located. Click on the header area to select it. You'll notice a bounding box appears around the header with small arrow icons that allow for resizing. These arrows are instrumental for the next step. Now, to resize the header, click on the arrow up and down button and drag it to adjust the height. If you move the arrow upward, you'll make the header smaller, thereby reclaiming some of the screen real estate. It's essential to drag carefully and stop once you've reached your desired header size. Remember, the key is balance. Making the header too small might compromise your design or functionality, so adjust accordingly. Having adjusted the header to your liking, it's time to shift your focus to the footer. Scroll down the page until you reach the footer section. The footer is generally found at the bottom of the page and, like the header, it's vital for site navigation and can contain important information. Click on the footer area, and again, you'll observe the same adjustment arrows appearing. This part of the process is similar to what we did with the header. By clicking and dragging the arrow up and down button, you can alter the height of your footer. Reducing the footer size can help focus visitors' attention on your main content, but ensure that any critical information remains visible and accessible. After making these adjustments, take a moment to preview your site. This will allow you to see how the smaller header and footer look in real time and make further tweaks if necessary. Always consider viewing your site on different devices, as what looks good on a desktop might not translate the same way on mobile. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make your header and footer smaller in Wix. By following these steps, you can create a more minimalistic and efficient design. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.